Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are back with TradeUI, showing you how you can use different trading strategies to give yourself a trading edge. In this video, we're going to go over the basic tool known as the RSI and how you can utilize that to find potential buying or selling opportunities in the market. So sit back, take some notes, and let's get into it. So I'm going to use TOS to actually find all the tools that we use for TradeUI. However, you can use any type of trading platform or any type of technical indicator platform out there. So the RSI itself is a relative strength index. That's going to show you if a stock has a lot of momentum to the upside or to the downside, and if it has had a little too much momentum. So what do I mean by that? So we want to find pivot points when the stock starts to go up, goes back down, and etc. Well, that's what the RSI does. So if I actually go to Edit Study and I type in RSI, I can add that here. And what it does, it shows you different areas where the price has technically been considered overbought for the time frame that you're zoomed in on, as well as oversold for the time frame you're zoomed in on. So in this case, we're looking at ExxonMobil on the 20-day 1-hour chart. You can see that we were overbought, we were oversold here, and pre-market it went up a little bit. Right here, it went up a little bit. But you can see that continued to go down even though it said it was oversold right here. That's exactly why we want to avoid this on the shorter term time frame, and we want to focus on a longer term time frame. So this is a great example on how to use this for longer term swing trades, especially on stocks you think are going to be around for a while. XOM, for example, right here on 3/16, it hit $99 and then immediately went right over and never even hit that overbought zone. It actually consolidated right here, then it sold back down, almost touched the RSI right here, but didn't quite get there. If you look right here, the only other time it's been in oversold territory was recently when it broached down to this $98 level again, and just like that, it is running back up to the upside. A lot of room to go on this one right here. However, the best thing about RSI is you tend to be able to catch bottoms, if not be right at the bottom. So it's a very powerful indicator on longer term charts, such as the year to day. And if you want to, let's look at the 6-month 4-hour. 6-month 4-hour gives you little spikes, but it's not going to give you as much as that year to day. So if you're one of those people who has some money they want to put over for the year, this is a great tool that you can use for almost yearly swings or a swing you're going to hold on to for a few months. Let's look at another chart just so we can mix it up a little bit. Let me think of a good company. Let's look at Palantir. Not this one, sorry. PLTR. Alright, so Palantir. So Palantir hasn't given us any oversold opportunities this past year. However, we definitely have some overbought opportunities like right in here. And as you can see, it never kind of came back down and recovered from that. It kind of stayed there. That's why you really want to be cautious of the stocks you look at. Remember, focus on market cap here. Palantir is a smaller market cap than ExxonMobil. It's like back during this time, it was a $30 to $35 billion company compared to ExxonMobil, which is almost, half a trillion, probably 300 billion. So really focus on what size you're using here. Use large cap stocks, right? Because these mid cap stocks can go way up and way down just like that. However, if you find larger cap stocks, you tend to give yourself a better trading edge. So with that, let's look at Meta. Alright, so Meta itself right here, let me get rid of these old lines. It's weird, right? It's been trading pretty much in a straight line the entire time. So that's kind of hard to look at when the RSI doesn't always line up with tech stocks or stocks that have rallied all year. So let's look at AAPL. Alright, AAPL right here. Good opportunities right here. So you look right here, there was definitely an overbought zone here, and it just ran. You could have targeted right there and got out, made an awesome profit there. Let's see, right here was oversold, and you could have bought here, and then look, just ran right back up. So understand that this, and technically right here is right at the cusp to where you could have taken a gamble and won up to the upside. So the thing is, guys, at the end of the day, this is definitely a better indicator for longer term charts and longer term time frames and blue chip companies. Just simple as this. S&P 500 here. Look at the bottom. it caught the bottom as soon as the RSI hit. People started buying like crazy. So here's the trick to these indicators, guys. Everybody uses them as a potential entry point. So if it's looking like it's bullish to you by hitting this indicator, that means everybody else is going to think, oh man, it's time to load the boat, which sends a price to the moon. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to do our best to get more technical videos out there for you. If you like this video, go ahead and click the button below. Check out TradeUI for yourself. That way you can look at the option flow data to give yourself a trading edge. Check out all of our other videos and content we have on this channel. Our goal for this 2024 year is to really grow the channel and really help educate our traders. So we hope that this information provides you better trading strategies. Guys, we're going to end it here. Have a great day.